Avery? Okay. Let's scoot over. Let's put you right here. Turn your legs this way. Are you ready, big sis? Are you ready?
Oh, that's good, Allie.
Can you touch his toes? What is that? Is that his knee?
What's he
likes
doing?
it.
He likes to be with his big sister, doesn't he?
Can you rub his belly? Yeah. Where are his fingers?
Oh.
He got you. He touched you.
That's so.
He touched your hair.
Nice.
That was nice. He likes it there, Allie. He likes sitting on your lap. You want to touch his hair? Allie's holding him. He likes it.
Daddy, Mama.
Daddy's got the camera, yeah.
Ollie.
He's taking pictures of Allie because she and Avery are so cute. Where's his belly button?
Right at belly button.
There's his belly button.
Right, that's it. Right, that's it.
Yeah. Where are his toes?
Right, that's it.
Where are his toes?
He's saying hello to you.
Oh, Ollie. Napkin.
Yeah,
Yeah, he is talking.
He's falling asleep, Allie. You're doing such a good job. He's falling asleep.